Get the cat. Where's the cat? Hmm?
Where is he? You see him? Come up. Come. Where'd he go on top of the refrigerator? You want to get up? Mm-hmm. Abuelito will take you up. Ask him.
Mira. Where's the cat? Where's the cat? Go get the cat up there. You see him?
I see. He's sleeping. Okay.
Let's see. Where's the cat? No? Look at the cat over there. Go take a look at the cat. See? Whoa. Let's go see the kitty. Let's go see the kitty. Wait a minute. That's all right.
She wasn't even looking at the cat.
You see